After completing the B20 swap on my Civic track car, I felt it was finally time to address the janky exhaust setup the car currently has. Using the current exhaust as a base, I enlisted the help of my friend David, who is a professional welder and fabricator. I'll link his information in the description below. With his help, we completely reworked the exhaust system from the header back, fitting the exhaust as close to the floor pan as possible, adding V-bend flanges along the way. With the center exit section of the exhaust fabbed up and only tack welded together, we couldn't resist mocking it up in the car to see how it sounds. I could not be happier with how this exhaust turned out. We got it tucked up really high close to the floor, giving me a lot of extra ground clearance, and we also replaced every flange with a V-band flange, which allows the exhaust to be removed very easily. Also, with the two race mufflers in series, it's actually not much louder than the vibrant muffler I had before. And the center exit, in my opinion, gives it just the right amount of race car vibe. Let me know what you guys think of this exhaust setup. Please like and subscribe, and remember, function, momentum, grip.